Minister had reply during the course of his reply when questioners, honourable member from Mawrangkneng had asked about how is the criteria or policy for appointing these consultants, whereas Honourable Chief Minister had replied the after effect, after appointment. What he do want, and myself also, and I hope every one of us, we do want to know the clear criteria that how is the procedure taken ahead before given appointment, before appointing the consultant.
Sir, again, there are a lot of confusion as to, I think the whole word consultants. And again, as I said, I repeat, sir, that consultants are of different nature, and the point is, sir, that there is no defined process for a consultant. The general process is there, and but the requirements differ, sir. For example, if I require an expertise for environmental and social risk assessment, then the consultant for that and the advertisement for that, process for that, the tendering for that will have different terms and conditions. If I require an expert or a consultant for agriculture-based, somebody who will study, bud rot disease, or somebody who will study the overall possibility of expansion of, shiitake mushroom demand in the state, then will require marketing and agriculture expertise. So it all depends based on the project's needs. But the process of interview, process of, say, an exam if necessary, process of presentation and tendering process. So these are standard operating procedures which need to be followed as per the mandate of the central agencies, central government, as well as externally aided agencies. So there is a defined process. And as I said, I just want to be short in this, sir, that the interview or the exams that have to be held, again, case-to-case basis, or the tendering, the process is defined, sir. And if we have to follow those processes, we cannot just simply appoint anybody that we would wish. There is a process of doing it, and then the selection is done on the basis of that.